The changes coming for the passport system as it relates to travel to Europe from the United States as well as some UK countries is alarming to a lot of people. With the right information, some of that stress can be relieved. That's our goal here today. In a world where international travel is a cherished privilege, the rules and regulations governing entry into foreign countries are subject to periodic updates and adjustments. Beginning in 2024, U.S. passport holders seeking to explore the enchanting landscapes and vibrant cultures of Europe will encounter a significant change. They will need to navigate the European Travel Information and Authorization System to secure authorization before embarking on their European adventures. We will explore this upcoming transformation and its implications for U.S. passport holders. In recent years, international travel has become increasingly accessible, connecting people from all corners of the globe. Europe, with its diverse cultures, rich history, and breathtaking landscapes, remains a coveted destination for travelers worldwide. However, as part of their commitment to security and border management, European nations have introduced a vital entry requirement known as the European Travel Information and Authorization System. We will delve deep into the intricacies of the system, from its purpose and application process to its exemptions and implications for U.S. passport holders and UK nationals alike. Make sure to watch till the end, so you will be sure to have all the information you need to make the right preparations for your upcoming travel and not get caught off guard. Keep in mind, we are not lawyers, nor are we affiliated with any passport or visa issuing authority, and this information is not intended to be legal advice in any way. We are simply sharing the information we've gathered on the subject. If you have any specific situations that you are unsure about, you would need to reach out to the proper authority. First, let's dive into the transition to the system for U.S. passport holders. Currently, U.S. nationals revel in the convenience of visa-free access to most European Union (EU) countries, allowing for seamless exploration of the diverse European landscapes. However, this accessibility will undergo a substantial transformation as the new system requirement comes into effect. Much like the U.S. electronic system for travel authorization process, the system is designed to bolster security measures while streamlining entry procedures for travelers. The European Travel Information and Authorization System is an electronic travel authorization closely tied to a traveler's passport. This vital document authorizes short-term entry into European countries for a duration of up to 90 days within any 180-day period. Nevertheless, it is crucial to clarify that just an approval does not translate to automatic entry. Upon arrival in a European country, a diligent border guard will meticulously verify whether the traveler complies with the stipulated entry conditions. Now, as far as the application process for U.S. passport holders bound for Europe can initiate the application process through a user-friendly interface, either on the official website or via a mobile application. The application itself comes at a modest cost of $7.79. However, it is worth noting that some travelers may be eligible for exemptions from this fee, depending on their specific circumstances. The travel authorizations hold validity for a span of up to 3 years, or until the passport of the traveler expires, whichever comes first. It is imperative to recognize that having a valid authorization throughout the entire stay is non-negotiable. Travelers should also be aware that, within the confines of the 90-day stay limit within any 180-day period, leaving and re-entering the territory is permissible. As U.S. passport holders prepare for their European journeys, it is crucial to remain informed about the upcoming requirements. Being proactive and understanding the application process and associated costs will contribute to a seamless and enjoyable travel experience. It is also advisable to stay updated on any revisions or developments and its implications for U.S. passport holders. The implementation of the European Travel Information and Authorization System in 2024 represents a significant change in how U.S. passport holders access the wonders of Europe. While this transition introduces new requirements, it is aimed at enhancing security and facilitating smoother entry for travelers, ensuring that Europe remains an accessible and enchanting destination for visitors from all corners of the world. So my question is, do you have any travel plans to Europe upcoming? And are you already prepared for the changes that are coming about? And on a side note, have you been to Europe before? And if so, what's your favorite country to visit? Now, unlocking the European Travel Information and Authorization System for UK nationals. It serves as an entry requirement for visa-exempt nationals intending to visit any of the 30 European countries participating in this program. It is electronically linked to a traveler's passport and has been designed to enhance security measures while facilitating seamless travel experiences. With a valid travel authorization, travelers are granted access to these European countries for short-term stays, typically for up to 90 days within any 180-day period. However, it is important to note that possessing it does not guarantee entry. Rather, it simplifies the pre-travel process by streamlining border controls. Now, the key features of the system. Travel authorizations are electronically connected to the traveler's passport, making it a hassle-free and convenient system. Authorizations are valid for up to 3 years, or until the passport's expiration date, whichever comes first. When obtaining a new passport, travelers will need to apply for a new one. For short-term stays, it allows visa-exempt travelers to visit the participating European countries for short-term stays. Upon arrival, border guards will verify travelers' passports and other documents to ensure they meet the entry conditions for the respective country. Travelers from visa-exempt countries planning short-term visits to the participating European nations must obtain a travel authorization. As to the specific travel document requirements, it's important to mention that there are specific travel document requirements for nationals of certain visa-exempt countries or territories. It's essential to verify whether these requirements apply to your travel document before embarking on your European journey. If you are a family member of an EU citizen or a national of Iceland, Liechtenstein, Norway, or Switzerland, and you hail from one of the visa-exempt countries or territories, it is recommended to explore the details of applying for a travel authorization, as your situation may entail specific considerations. There are those who do not need a travel authorization. While it is a requisite for many travelers, there are several exceptions to the rule. Here's a breakdown of those who do not need a travel authorization. If you are a national of a European country that requires authorization for entry, you are exempt from this requirement. Visa requirement for nationals of countries that require a visa to travel to the European countries participating in the system are not obligated to obtain one. However, there are certain cases where these individuals may still require authorization. It's essential to check the specific lists to determine your eligibility. UK nationals and their family members who are beneficiaries of the withdrawal agreement are not required to have authorization. They can reside in their EU host country and travel to other European nations participating in the system as long as they hold the necessary documents proving their status. Andorra, San Marino, Monaco, Vatican City, and Ireland. Nationals of Andorra, San Marino, Monaco, the Holy See, the Vatican City State, and Ireland are not subject to these requirements. Refugees, stateless persons, and non-nationals, individuals who fall into the categories of refugees, stateless persons, or those who do not hold the nationality of any country and reside in one of the European countries participating in the system, are exempt. These individuals must hold a travel document issued by the relevant European country. Residence permit or residence card holders. If you hold a residence permit or residence card issued by any of the European countries that require authorization, you are exempt from this requirement. For UK nationals, the application varies depending on the purpose and duration of their visit to European countries that participate in the program. Here are the key considerations for UK nationals. UK nationals are required to have a valid travel authorization when traveling to any of the European countries that demand it, for short-term stays, which typically allow a duration of up to 90 days within a 180-day period. Should UK nationals intend to stay in a European country for an extended period, They must adhere to the entry requirements set by the respective country. These requirements may include obtaining a visa or residence permit in accordance with national or EU migration laws. There are exemptions for UK nationals benefiting from the withdrawal agreement. UK nationals who are beneficiaries of the withdrawal agreement, along with their family members, are exempt from the requirements. This exemption allows them to reside in their EU host country and travel to other European countries requiring approval, provided they can furnish the necessary documents proving their status. The European Travel Information and Authorization System has ushered in a new era of border management and security for European nations. This streamlined travel authorization system is designed to simplify the process for visa-exempt nationals, ensuring they can explore the diverse and vibrant cultures of the participating European countries. Whether you are a visa-exempt traveler, a UK national, or someone falling under one of the exemption categories, understanding this new system and its implications is paramount for a smooth and memorable European travel experience. Bon voyage!